I want a categorical assurance from the minister and the government that the US tariff will not be imposed on India from April 2. We export to US diamond and gold products worth 12 billion. This tariff hike could reduce demand, impact jobs in Surat and Mumbai, madam. Madam, I'm thankful that Minister Piyush Goyal is here. A specific point on US tariffs, madam. Goldman Sachs estimates that if the US imposes tariffs, this could decrease India's GDP growth by 0.6%. Madam, US is a major buyer of Indian agricultural produce. We export nearly 6 billion of agricultural produce to US. If imposition of higher tariffs will make Indian produce less competitive, affect incomes in the agricultural sector, madam. We export generic pharmaceuticals to the worth of 18.5 billion to US, just to US, madam. If US tariffs could significantly impact these exports, madam. Jewelry and precious metals are at risk because of US tariffs. This industry faces 13.32 tariff differential affecting SMEs engaged in jewelry manufacturing. Madam, we export to US diamond and gold products worth 12 billion. This tariff hike could reduce demand, impact jobs in Surat and Mumbai, madam. I want a categorical assurance from the minister and the government that the US tariffs will not be imposed on India from April 2. Bilateral trade agreement is going on, but the phase 1 is due by September, madam. Can the government tell us that the EU market also has become restrictive? Will this government give a categorical assurance that neither CBM, EUDR will not be imposed on India by you, which will affect 3 billion of Indian exports, madam, particularly iron and steel, according to economic survey. EUDR, 9.5 billion Indian exports will be affected. Madam, in this supplementary demand, MEA is asking 300 crores. Will India get a sanction waiver for Chabar port as we got in 2018?